I am Shelby Catron, and I am a real estate agent over at Coldwell Banker Snider Realty. And today I am over at Christy Phelps' office, and she is a real estate loan officer for Idaho Independent Bank. And I'm going to be asking her some common questions for first-time homebuyers. Christy, what does it take to qualify to buy a home?
Well, the criteria includes stable income, decent credit, and most of all, that motivation to buy your new house.
That's great. What is the benefit to being a first-time homebuyer?
There are a lot of benefits. Some include assistance with your down payment. There are grant funds available to help you with your down payment. Courses you can take to earn your down payment. There are several.
Okay, how long is the process to buy a home?
Well, once you find that property of your dreams, it takes about 30 days before you have the keys in your hand.
Do people need to have a down payment to be able to buy?
Not necessarily. You can get into a home for as little as $500. There are a lot of opportunity out there, so if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, and I'd love to find the program that best suits your needs.
That's great. Thank you so much, Christy. Me and Christy just hit on a few questions that people have when it comes to buying a home, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to ask myself or Christy. We are here to help you, and no question is a dumb question, and buying a home is a really exciting time. Thanks so much, and have a great day.